All right, we're going to do a cold start this morning on this Hyundai Veloster. This one's not just any ordinary Veloster here, folks. This one is super sporty. Loving this color. The color combination looks really tight. This blue with the black and the red looks really good. First time actually getting in one of these and checking it out. Front end looks really tough. Kind of reminds me of a Ford Focus ST when you look at the front. Just the way the grille is and all that. But anyways, really sporty. And interior looks really nice. Just to think this car hasn't even been detailed yet. This is how it came. Let's go ahead and hop in. All right, let's crank her up. This one is a manual transmission. I'm liking the fit and finish though. Looks really good. It's clean. Pretty comfortable for the most part. I'm 6'1", 210. So I'm fitting in here okay. All right, foot on the clutch. This is kind of cool. I like the colors. All right, let's hit the start button right there. Here we go. This one's got 82,000 miles on it, on a 2019 model. And clean off these wipers with that windshield. We got a throaty sounding exhaust, so it doesn't sound too bad. Yeah, not bad. All right, let's pull it up front and check it out. So you're gonna do this. There you go. Backup camera. We got some nice inventory here at the store right now at Southern Motor Company. It is January 2024. It's a pretty cool car. I like it. Yeah, like also this is kind of cool. Check it out. Yeah, those right there, the seat belts are also in that baby blue. You also notice up top here, that's in baby blue. Those kind of have that blue color to them. So it's kind of neat seeing some of the color on the outside just in different little spots throughout the interior. That's kind of neat. Liking it. I like how the guidelines have blue on there. That's cool. Lights it up a little bit differently. All right, let's put it in first. Let's put our seat belt on. Grab it back here. All right, this is just a raw video of me cranking her up and taking her for a quick drive around the block. I'll try to do this more on different vehicles. So, yeah. Suspension feels stiff, like a sports car. back this window so y'all can hear it a little better. A little turbo engine sounds good. I mean, I haven't even really got up on it yet, but it feels pretty quick. I can tell it's got some power. Hear that blow-off valve? That sounds cool. Hang on a second here. Look at that. It's just a quick little psh, psh. It's interesting. Easy to shift, easy to drive. I mean, this is a nice little car here. I'll hop out real quick and let you take a look at it again. Pulled in our little cut here that we used to come to back in the day. Let y'all get a good look at the lighting and all that on the car. Yeah. Let's cut these headlights on. Do we got some fogs? I'm sure we do somewhere, but anyways. All right, let's hop out and take a look. It's sporty, so I mean, this car you can buy right now for $19,900. Again, 2019, 80,000 miles for $19,900. And yeah, just like all of them, got a little back door on this side. Still got a little room back there to get in and out. Get the kids in, get the friends in. There you go. That's cool. Very nice, solid little car here. This is definitely a fun one for somebody. And I really like the color. It's cool, you know. It's a really neat little color. That's the place to come check out. Yeah, the button is right there if you're wondering how to open up the hatch. That's neat. I like that spoiler on the back too. That's cool. That's fun. All right, let me know what you think about this one, everybody. Appreciate you watching. If you want to watch a full in-depth review on it, head over to the SMC page and check out Southern Motor Company so you can purchase a car like this from us here in North Charleston, South Carolina. Again, I'm Chad. Been on YouTube now for quite a while. Please like, comment, subscribe on CCV. And again, if you're in the market for a pre-owned car, you want something a little bit more fun, a little sporty, check out Southern Motor Company. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you soon. Have a great day.